Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to upload to TikTok without losing quality, alright? Instead of uploading the video by using this plus icon right here on your TikTok app, just go ahead and close this one. Now go ahead over to your Play Store and use the search function and type in TikTok Studio. Alright, once done, just go ahead and tap on TikTok Studio and install it. Once done, let's just go ahead and open it up. And if you're already logged into the TikTok app, it's going to ask you to continue with the TikTok account. If not, just go ahead and click or tap on login with other methods. All right, tap on it. Now wait for it to load. What we're going to do here is just basically tap on upload. All right, upload, allow. Now let's just go ahead and select the video. Like this one right here. I'm going to tap on next and just wait for it to load. All right, it's done uploading. I'm just going to hit on next. And in here, just go ahead and add in your description, new setup maybe. And then you're going to want to tap on more options right here. Tap on it. And in here, scroll all the way down. Now, some devices have the ability to toggle the option called allow upload to HD quality. All right, just go ahead and turn that on. If it's not available for you, well, it means that HD quality upload is automatic. Just hit on post, and once done, you just uploaded a video on TikTok with a lossless quality, and that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.